Hello and welcome to another edition of UFO Video Addicts. Let me give you a quick preview of what I got coming up in this video. Let's see. The first is this compilation of sounds that are allegedly UFO audio recordings of UFO craft. Also have this video here. This is a long video from Jaime Maussan. I think it's from his television show. It's 90 minutes long. But, he shows various, what are supposedly aliens. And then he's got other, it's an hour and a half show. So he shows a lot of different things. He talks about a lot of different things. Shows, UFOs by the volcanoes. Other images of, strange things that, I guess images that people send him. But yeah, there's a lot going on in this video. I also have this one here from UFO Mania of what was apparently some of the parts from the crashed saucer at Roswell. I don't know. People have spoken about these in different discussions, but these are apparently them, where there's also these I-beams with what some people are saying, it seems like the letters say video. Anyways, and then this is from a news story in Hawaii. They're saying that these are Chinese satellites scanning the area, but who knows? Take a look at that. And let's see, and then this is from the show Redacted with Clayton Morris. And in it, this guy here tells a story that was told to him by a supposed whistleblower about Lockheed Martin having an anti-gravity craft. They were supposedly given some saucers by the government, and told to try and figure out. And once they figured it out, they didn't tell the government, though. They gave the government the saucer back and said, yeah, we couldn't figure it out, and then went on to develop their own craft. But when it crashed, it became a race for the team from Lockheed Martin to get to the crash site before the U.S. government, who had been tracking it and apparently were aware that it crashed. So this guy tells the story of what was told to him. And then also have this long clip here. This is from one of the citizens' hearing on disclosure that was put on by Stephen Bassett in 2013. Yeah, in 2013. He actually did two of these, So this, again, it goes back to what I've been saying, how disclosure is a process. It's an ongoing process that's been going on for a long time. But in this one here, this part here, Canadian Minister Paul Hellyer reveals who he thinks are the people preventing UFO disclosure. And then also have this little clip here from Jaime. Again, this is from Jaime Maussan. And he's talking about, 3 more days until the big reveal from Maussan. And then he shows this. So maybe he's going to reveal another one of these Nazca mummies or an alien. Who knows. And then let's see. Last is this post here on Twitter from this Jonathan Davies guy. I don't know, he's got, 50, I think, 50,000 people on his Twitter. So he's about, got a pretty, or 10,000. Oh, I thought it was more than that. Anyways, this guy's saying that there's something big is coming. People we all know and love to hate have been breaking the rules, and the evidence is coming. What's this about? Just thought I'd put that out there. It's not really, it could be nothing, but who knows? Anyways, if you appreciate the time and effort that I put into bringing this information to you, please give this video a thumbs up. Please share this video, and more importantly, please subscribe. Really would help me out with the algorithms. Okay, now let's get at this video here. Like I said, this is a compilation of sounds, audio recordings of what are alleged to be UFOs. So now this clip here, this is, what was his name? Oh, he was a Harvard professor. Oh. Yeah, talking to these children. Oh, John Mack. Yeah, this is John Mack talking to these children from Ariel School. And this is where, the little girl talks about hearing the sound. But anyways, check this out.
What noise?
The noise that we heard in the air.
You heard a noise in the
Yes.
air? What was it like? Like a roar or a buzz or a hum or what kind of a noise?
It was like someone was blowing a flute.
Yeah, TS, all it is now is just an orange glow. That's all I can see. But the sun is coming up. Better not be. It's awful early. Awful early for the sun paper, Joe. I don't think the sun would just be in that one spot. I think it's moving out, you guys. Oh, we'll watch it. We moved up to a higher vantage point, so you tell us what it does. Well, listen.
Yeah, see, now this is supposed to be the sound of the alien craft. The guy's just saying, listen.
Sounds like it's revving up its engines. Can you hear it? I hope. 'Cause it's sure cold out here.
Anyways, there's that one. And let's see. And there's another one here. I think it's here.
Sounds like to me a power plant.
Wait, let's see. Let me jump ahead. I think this is a different one. Yeah, this is a different one here. This was taken in Switzerland. Anyways, that's just a couple of the, of a few of them. Like I said, this is a, recording that's just over 12 minutes long, but kind of interesting if it is real. Anyways, link will be in the description. Now, this is a some clip or episode of Jaime Maussan show. Most of it's in Spanish, but you can turn on the closed caption here and, figure out, or, so you know what he's saying. But anyways, let me just show you some of the stuff that he's showing in these things. He's showing images of what are supposedly aliens and things like that, captured on film. And then he goes into this area here where you get these supposed shots of what he's saying is an alien.
De acuerdo a la investigación de nuestro compañero, Scott Warren, la imagen fue obtenida por una pareja que se dedica a la exploración de campo.
Ahora, analicemos un poco esta foto. Esta es la foto original intacta. Voy a acercarme un poco, voy a agregar solo luz. Así. Puedes ver un poco la diferencia, pero acerquémonos a la persona. Quizá esto sea solo...
So let's see, there's that one, and there's another one that they show. Oh no, yeah, this is I think the one from Miami. I'm not buying that anything actually happened. I still haven't seen anything definitive. This is photo of a UFO. Oh yeah, here's supposed clear images. Or this is comparing. I think this was a photo that was taken by some kind of land surveyor. Well, yeah, then here he's talking about these Nazca mummies again.
Ha quedado demostrado, a lo largo del tiempo, que en diversas ocasiones fenómenos aéreos anómalos entran al cráter del volcán y desaparecen. Y de la misma forma, han sido registrados saliendo, lo cual demuestra que en este sitio existe un portal dimensional. ¿De qué otra forma se puede explicar lo que estamos viendo en la pantalla?
Yeah, look, there's so many of these videos of craft coming in and out of our volcanoes. And, this is something that's been, again, this is not a new phenomenon. It's been going on for a long time. Yeah, this is some green light that was seen. Again, this is a long episode, 90 minutes. But anyways, link will be in the description, so check that out. Let's look at this one here about these artifacts from supposed crashed saucer at Roswell. You turn that music down. Let me go full screen on this. Yeah, this is supposedly, it's hard to see, but it supposedly says video. This is some kind of eye bar. Now these plates here, where they're obviously, putting their hands, it says 6 fingers. The control panel on which the aliens place their 6 fingers to operate the UFO is made of a mysterious metal. Look how light it seems. Look at that 6 fingers. Leaked video footage of the remains of a UFO that crashed in Roswell. Anyways, they just keep showing this over and over again. I don't think there's anything more after this. Yeah, they just show you the I-beam here. That's really it. You just keep playing this over and over again. So anyways, a link will be in the description. Now, this is something that just took place 11 months ago. It's on a Hawaiian station about these lights. Let me go full screen. Check this out. Now, again, they're saying that it's Chinese satellites, but who knows?
That's the story. The lasers flash for just a couple seconds. Initially thought to be from a NASA altimeter satellite, the Japanese put out a correction note on Monday saying NASA scientists found a most likely candidate as the ACDL instrument by the Chinese Daki-1 AEMS satellite. I went to a University of Hawaii astronomer who read up on AEMS instruments.
It's a Chinese satellite that is measuring pollutants, among other things. It has many different instruments on it, some kind of topographical mapping, or they're also used for measuring stuff in the Earth's atmosphere, and I think that's what it is. It's an environmental measurement satellite.
What do you think? Do you think that's the truth or just a cover story? Anyways, let's go to this one here. Now, this one I'm going to kind of let it play out. Like I said, this is this guy who's telling a story that was told to him by a supposed whistleblower about Lockheed Martin creating an anti-gravity craft that ultimately crashed, and then it had to be retrieved, and people were killed. Trying to get to it because the government didn't know that, this one group that was trying to get to the crashed saucer were working for Lockheed Martin. But anyways, let him tell the story.
It gets even crazier. He says that in 2004, a Lockheed ARV, an alien reproduction vehicle, was flying in South Nevada. I will not give the small town, and it crashed. But this craft was being tracked by JSOC because JSOC thought it was actually an interplanetary or interdimensional extraterrestrial craft. I hope you're following me.
Right,
So
right.
it
They thought
crashes
this was an off-world vehicle. JSOC did.
Right, because JSOC and most of the government have not been briefed in that Lockheed has successfully reproduced to an advanced degree replica extraterrestrial craft. In the 60s and the 70s, they developed something like a flux liner. It was a very basic alien reproduction vehicle. They made the leap, they made the jump, and I will not say how this happened. They made the leap and made the jump, kept this from the government. So when the government is tracking this Lockheed reproduction craft in 2004, they think it's an alien craft. It crashes, again, this is his story, not my investigation, folks. It crashes in southern Nevada. JSOC, a JSOC recovery team and a Lockheed recovery team descend on this crash at the same time. Now, I'm assuming JSOC probably doesn't have military insignia because they're a covert military operation. Obviously, Lockheed didn't have military insignia. And Lockheed and JSOC, from this, what this whistleblower says, start a firefight because JSOC thinks it's terrorists. Lockheed thinks it's, whoever. And they have to protect Lockheed's craft, and a firefight ensues. It gets even crazier. This whistleblower claims that two JSOC airmen, two JSOC members, two JSOC soldiers, however you call them, I'm not a military person, were actually killed in this firefight. He went on to say that he remembered their names, and that they were of Asian descent. I mean, what a peculiar detail to put in this. So in 2004, two Asian JSOC soldiers with Asian descent allegedly died in this firefight. This is what was claimed to me.
Anyways, that's as much as I want to play of that. Yeah, imagine that. That what he just told sounds like it could be a really good comedy of errors with some, a little bit of a tragedy thrown in. Anyways, let's see. I got this video here of former Defense Minister of Canada, the Honorable Paul Hellyer, talking about what he believes are the people behind preventing disclosure from happening. Okay, let me give you the context. This was taking place at Stephen Bassett's citizens hearing on disclosure. This is from May of 2013. Anyways, check this out.
The fact that some other civilizations are more advanced than we are may be humbling. It exists, and it's being kept secret by the same vested interests who control our destiny. Who are these vested interests, and what are they up to? Well, Senator, you were talking about a military junta. In my opinion, that is true, but I have broadened and deepened the definition to cabal, and the cabal comprises members of the Three Sisters: the Council on Foreign Relations, the Bilderbergers, and the Trilateral Commission, the International Banking Cartel, the Oil Cartel, members of various intelligence organizations, and select members of the military junta, who together have become a shadow government of not only the United States, but of much of the Western world. The aim of the game is a world government comprising members of the cabal who are elected by no one and accountable to no one. And according to Mr. Rockefeller, the plan is well advanced.
Yeah, let me stop this thing right here. Yeah, these people, they're not like having secret meetings, to discuss their plans for world domination, right? They have it right out in the open. I mean, Davos just happened again. And here, these guys are talking about how they know that people have lost trust in them, but they're still going to keep, doing the things that they've been doing, gaslighting us, making us believe that, their plan is what's in the best interest of all of us. So, yeah, remember that when you go to, select your leaders. You don't want people who are puppets of this cabal that he talks about. And come on, it's real easy to spot these people. Anyways, also got this post here. It's going to be the last two from X. You know, this is Jaime Maussan talking about 3 more days until some revelation. What that is, I do not know. And then we got this guy here saying, you know, basically the same thing or something similar, right? Something big is coming. People we all know and love to hate have been breaking the rules, and the evidence is coming. Imagine if someone found absolute proof to tie certain people together with the topic trolls. I'm going to enjoy this a few weeks. So I don't know what that means, but you know, if the speed of disclosure or the rate that disclosure is happening speeds up, I can definitely see more and more things, information coming out that's going to blow people's mind. But anyways, thank you so much for making it till the end. If you appreciate the time and effort that I put into bringing this information to you, please give this video a thumbs up. Please share this video. And more importantly, please subscribe. I'll have more things like this for you. Till next time, take care.